Hello students, this video we're going to go ahead and show how to solve the relative isotopic mass for B11, which is shown right here in this problem. We're going to go ahead and work on this problem here. We're first going to go ahead and take note that usually we're going to go ahead and have isotope A, and isotope A is always going to be times percent A, and we're going to add that to isotope B, and isotope B is always times its percent. This problem here, we have isotope B right here. It tells us its mass is 10.0129. So we're going to write this here for A. It also tells us that its percent is 19%. So we're going to go ahead and put 0.1978. We're adding this to the mass for isotope B. And as you can see here, the mass is to be calculated. So we have to go ahead and solve that. Since we are solving that, we're going to have to go ahead and put that as x. It tells us our percentage. In this particular case, our percentage is 0.8022. And we would go ahead and look at the periodic table. And at the periodic table, we'd see that the average mass for boron is 10.811. Next, we're going to go ahead and multiply this through. And we're going to go ahead and see that this is 1.980555162. We're going to keep all that number, and this is going to be x 0.8022. We're going to go ahead and subtract 1.98. We're going to take this whole number, subtract it from both sides, so that we're going to be left just with our x term. When we do that, we're going to be left with x, or 0.228 equals 0.3044838. We're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 0.8022, which means that when we finally do that final little bit, we're going to have a number that's going to be 11.00778. We're going to go ahead and count 6 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means that our x is going to go ahead and equal 11.0078. That's going to close us for today's video. Hopefully that helps.